watching the sunlight as it waves to the moon. I love the dawn of a new day with you. Feels just like magic, the way we stop time.
Yo, what's going on? What's poppin'? What's crackin' like? And welcome back to Josh Kicking It. We got another one here. I'm gonna call y'all out on some stuff, man. Yep. Before we get to this, I'm gonna call y'all out on some stuff. So, when y'all start back at liking patent leather shoes, tell me, please. Just, except for Jordan 11s, but when y'all still, when did y'all go back to liking patent leather shoes? So the three pack of patent leather Air Force Ones dropped in. They going for like 300 something right now. But before that, another pack dropped. And y'all didn't care about them. That I think look just as good as the other one. So what we doing? This is why the shoe game is fickle. It's real give and go. Like we promote and push shoes that shouldn't, I don't want to say shouldn't be promoted or shouldn't be pushed, because at the end of the day it's wear what you like. But this 3-pack wasn't that, it wasn't that great. Like it was great, trust me. It was wear the shoes you wanted, but at the same time we gotta, if we're gonna continue to push this culture of these shoes, push the other patent leather too. Like come on now. Like I got some patent leather shoes. I got some Forces is patent leather in my collection without the 3-pack. And let's be honest, I wanted those too. But y'all were quick. Y'all pulled the trigger on those. Y'all got them. Which I think they might re-release them singly. I'm not sure, but I heard some stuff about it. But if y'all follow Air Force Ones, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'll put the picture somewhere up in here and y'all will be able to see it. But just going forward, I didn't know y'all really mess with them. Y'all mess with patent leather? Tell me. Come on, hey, in the comments now, do y'all mess with patent leather Forces? Because if y'all mess with patent leather Forces, I'm glad y'all here today. Look, these came out, the ad for these was wedding. You know, people wear gym shoes with the suits and the tux, and people wearing, the ladies wearing it with their gowns and their dresses and all that good stuff, which is a great thing, right? Because it's always good to see a sneaker where you wouldn't place a sneaker. And the one for that, like Jordan with Jordan 1s, and people do it with the Jordan 11s, and you've seen it with the Jordan 6s, and you see it with the Air Force Ones. Well, the Air Force Ones have done it again. Shout out to DTLR. Shout out to DTLR. They have done it again. Before we get to that, DTLR, shout out to y'all, man. Bam, it's all, you always can find a sleeper in DTLR. You see that? Sleeper. Go hard. That pink and that red, that thing go hard. Crazy. Of course it's a snapback, because you see I got this hair, a whole lot of hair, but this thing go hard. I have a tan and green like this with that little heart, but I think that go crazy. You know, I keep a hat, I keep some shit, I just keep some stuff, man. Yeah, shout out to DTLR. Bam. Y'all like that, let me know. I don't know how that's coming off. It might be a little too bright up against that light. So, yeah. Alright. Enough of this. I can't even put it on because my hair out blowed out today. Alright, enough of that. Alright, let's get to what we came for here. Bam. If I would call it the cap and gown, or the Let's Get Married Forces. Let's Get Married Forces. There you go. They got a black version, they got a white version of this. Which version I got? Let's take a look-see. I promise you, you're not understanding how clean these are in person, in hand. Bam. I want to know what all they They don't put nothing extra in boxes no more. Come on, Nike, y'all gotta do something better for me. But here we go. Ooh. To the untrained eye, they look just like some white forces. But baby, if you're looking for devotion, talk to me. These are a size 11, white on white, white on white, white on white, like the ESPN sound. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. Hey, don't be a dun-dun-dun. Bam. You see the gloss? When the light hit the ice, it twinkle and glisten. Look at that, boy. Yeah, I had to. Some all whites. It's gonna stay all white except for that bottom, but it is what it is. You see that? You see the gloss on that, boy? Quit playing with them. That patent leather go crazy, crazy. And to talk about it, right? The patent leather soft. It ain't even hard. Like the patent leather is soft. Like, just so you know, like these go crazy, man. These go crazy. I don't know if y'all slept on these or if y'all seen these or not. I don't know. But what I do know is this a pair I had to get. This a pair I had to get. I had to have this in the collection. I had to be one of those ones who picked this up because of the sheer, like, you might not get another all white patent leather. You know what I'm saying? Like, this might be one of a kind. This might be one-on-ones, and inside, and the lining is leather, which one is again make this a premium Air Force One. I didn't understand how it was they only run 115, 125. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, more of the times when you got them premium, they run a little more expensive. So these was 125. Yeah. So, hey man, you can't go wrong with these, man. You gotta get them. I would say cop them if you're looking for a clean sneaker, something that's gonna last a little bit longer than your regular all white Air Force Ones. These gonna hit off with the baggy wide leg jogging pants. These gonna hit off with anything you really put them with. Me personally, I think this is a short shoe. So if you out there, you looking for something different, these are something different. Something different that really says, I just got on some all white Air Force Ones, right? And this ain't everybody's cup of tea, but try the tea. And they got these in black. I wouldn't do the black. The black actually stand out more than the white ones. I'm really not a fan of black patent leather Air Force Ones. I have a pair with the black, and they got like a dark army blue to them, and with the black, and that collects a lot of dust. So you get and you see it. I'm cool on that. But these, however, shiny suit, man. These the ditties. All right, y'all. Cut. Hey, y'all have a great evening. Y'all have a great day. Y'all stay blessed. Be blessed in everything you do. Love somebody, love yourself, and do me a favor. Wear what you like. Wear what you like. Hey, this your boy Josh kicking it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and y'all stay blessed, man. We out.
Oh, no more talking. This is torment. Surrounded by darkness. What's all this for? Can't hide it. Know just how I feel. You know just how I feel. Know just